Imagine cruising down an open road and carrying your entire home with you. Not in a huge RV, not in a bulky van, but on a sleek, three-wheeled machine that turns heads everywhere it goes. This is the stunning 2027 Glossy Camper Tricycle Tiny Home, and once you see what it can do, you might start wondering why people even pay rent anymore. At a first glance, the design looks futuristic and elegant. The body has a smooth, glossy finish that reflects sunlight like polished glass. Its aerodynamic curves make it look more like a concept vehicle from the future than a camper. But this isn't just about looks. Every inch of this tricycle has been designed to combine mobility, comfort, and smart tiny home living. The front features a powerful motorized trike setup, giving the rider full control and stability on the road. Unlike traditional campers that require huge parking spaces and massive fuel costs, this compact machine glides effortlessly through city streets and scenic countryside roads. It's small enough to park almost anywhere, yet big enough to hold everything you need for a comfortable lifestyle. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Behind the rider sits the Glossy Camper Pod, and when you open the door, you step into a surprisingly cozy tiny home. The interior feels warm, modern, and cleverly organized. Soft LED lighting creates a calm atmosphere, while large side windows allow natural light to pour in, making the space feel bigger than you'd expect on one side. There's a compact sleeping area designed for maximum comfort. The mattress folds neatly into the wall during the day, transforming the space into a small lounge where you can relax, read, or enjoy the view outside. It's the perfect example of how smart design can turn a tiny space into something incredibly functional. Across from the sleeping area, you'll find a mini kitchenette. It may be small, but it's fully practical. There's a compact sink, a portable cooking surface, and cleverly hidden storage compartments for utensils and food supplies. Imagine waking up in the middle of nature, sliding open the door, and making your morning coffee right inside your tiny mobile home. Storage is another area where this camper tricycle shines. Hidden compartments are built into nearly every corner, allowing you to store clothes, gear, and travel essentials without cluttering the space. Everything has its place, making the interior feel organized and peaceful. And let's talk about freedom. With a camper tricycle like this, your backyard can change every single day. One morning you could wake up beside a quiet lake, the next day near a mountain road, and the next by the ocean. No rent, no heavy mortgage, just pure mobility and adventure. What makes the 2027 Glossy Camper Tricycle even more exciting is how affordable and efficient it can be compared to traditional RVs. Its lightweight design means better fuel efficiency, lower maintenance costs, and a simpler lifestyle. For many people dreaming of minimal living, this kind of setup feels like the future, but the real magic of this tiny home on wheels isn't just the technology or the design. It's the lifestyle it represents. A lifestyle where you're not tied to one place. A lifestyle where the road becomes your neighborhood and every sunrise brings a new view. And once you imagine living like that, it becomes very hard to go back to ordinary living.